Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can actually change line spacing in Microsoft Word. So how can we possibly change line spacing in Microsoft Word? Be it you want to change a particular paragraph or you want to change everything or all the paragraph in your document. So this tutorial is going to guide you through the step on how you can actually do that, either just a paragraph or the whole paragraph in your document. Alright guys, so I'm just going to get right, but before I continue, I'd like you guys to please subscribe to this channel and let's continue. Alright, so for us to be able to do this, what we are going to be doing now is we are going to come to our design. Now I'm going to be showing you some procedures you can actually follow in order for you to be able to change line spacing in Microsoft Word. Alright, so this is what we're going to do. We'll move over to our design first. Now when you click on your design, you come here to paragraph spacing. You click on this, and then with this you can be able to select any one of your choice. Now if I should click on compact, this is how it's just going to be like. Now it's actually compacting it just as the name, it's bringing all of it together. Now see the tight, we have the open, we have the relax, we have the double. Now if I should just click on any one, it automatically converts it to that paragraph spacing that I have chosen. Alright, so now how about maybe we want to actually format it ourselves, or we want to customize it ourselves. So what we are going to do now is to come right straight to custom paragraph spacing. So I can just do it to click on this custom paragraph spacing, and then this box comes out. Now this paragraph spacing here is what we're going to be dealing with. Now we have the before and the after. Our after is at 8 points, our before it is in 0 points. So now let's say for instance I make this 12 points and I click on OK. Now the spacing between this here and this is 20, which is 12 and 8. So the 12 is the before and 8 is the after. Alright, so before this is the 12 and then after this is the 8. That is what is making this spacing here 20. So for us to be able to undo this, you can just simply come back to no paragraph space and then you click on it. But before that, let's go back to our custom paragraph spacing. We need to also see some other things there. Now we have the line spacing, we have double and the rest. We also have single, we have 1.5 lines, we have at least. Now this is also has to do with the spacing between each of the lines. Okay, so now let's say we want single. If we click on single and then we click on OK, it's just having a single line between each of these. Okay, then come back to paragraph spacing. We can still decide to select any other one. We have the double. This is the double. We have 1.5 lines and whichever one we want to use. So anyone we've selected, then you can now come here. We want to apply this only in this document, or we want to apply it in a new document based on this template. So what this actually means is that if we should select this now, any other document or any other thing we're going to be typing in this document is now going to be having these settings that we have just done here. So that is why it is new document based on this template, but we want to actually apply it on this particular document that we have here already. Then we can just click on OK, and then it can now do the changes for us. So this is just how we can actually now use the paragraph spacing when we are dealing with bulk here. So how about we now want to work on just a particular paragraph. Now let's say we want to work on this particular paragraph. What we are going to do now is to highlight this. Now when you highlight this paragraph here, you can now do it to come right straight to this. Then you can select any one of your choice. Now if I should select any one, it's just working on that particular paragraph. So I can just decide to click on 2. This is it. So if I actually want to customize mine now, I can come here, see line spacing options, and then we've seen this before and after, 12.8 points, which is making it 20 points. Same thing with the line spacing here. We can decide to go for the double, the single, or any other one. So when we are done, you can just click on OK. So if you actually want to undo this now, you come back here and then you can do well to select 1, because we're using just 1 point. So this is just it. So now how about maybe we do not want to just go through the whole process of maybe highlighting, then coming right straight to here to select whichever one we want, then come over to line spacing for the advanced options so as we can be able to edit it properly. or we do not want to come right straight to our design like we did earlier, come to paragraph spacing and then we work on it. Here's what we're going to do. So on your home, you can just come here under the paragraph, you come here, this drop down, you click on this and then this comes out. So you see this is actually what we discussed earlier. So you can decide to select the spacing, the before and the after like we've discussed, and then the line spacing. Do you want single, do you want double, or whichever one you want. Good. All right, so it is also possible for us to use our paragraph spacing even on our styles. Now this is actually a style. Please subscribe. You can also do well to hit the subscribe button. All right, so we can also work on this our style here. This is also another way we can actually work with our line spacing. Then this style here, for us to be able to work on this, first you need to highlight it. You come over to this. Now this is the title. This is what I actually use. Then you can right click on it, come right straight to modify, and then on this you can be able to give it some spacing with this, and then this is to actually close spacing. So when you're done, you can now click on OK, and then you have this. All right, so this is just a simple process on how we can actually change line spacing in Microsoft Word. All right, so if you like to learn about how you can actually format your paragraph in Microsoft Word, you can do well to tap on the next video. The video is going to take you through the step on how you can be able to format your paragraph in Microsoft Word. All right, guys, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification, because I'll be uploading more and more amazing tutorials on Microsoft Word. All right, see you guys now next tutorial.